Best ways to earn passive income. 10 ideas for 2023. Passive income is unearned income generated from investments, properties, or side hustles. It's a steady flow of cash not earned from active work, such as traditional employment or full-time entrepreneurship. Passive income is defined as income that requires minimal work to generate and maintain, coming from somewhere other than a traditional employer. Passive income is a cash stream that is considered unearned income by the IRS. Passive income doesn't come from formal, active employment, either full-time or as a contractor. As the term implies, passive income requires little or no daily effort to maintain. This is different from active or earned income, which is generally defined as cash from working at a job or as a contractor. That's not to say passive income is easy money. In fact, the opposite can be true. It can take a long time for passive income efforts to actually pay off. Most ways to generate passive income require an upfront investment of either money, time, or both. The income comes later, in some cases, much later. You can create passive income through investing in certain financial products or by starting businesses that, after an initial investment, start to generate income without regular work. The taxes you'll pay on passive income may vary depending on the source of the money, so make sure you keep careful records of your earnings. Here are 10 of the best ways to earn passive income. 1. Dividend stocks. One way to build an income stream is to invest in dividend stocks, which distribute part of the company's earnings to investors on a regular basis, such as quarterly. The best dividend stocks increase their payout over time, helping you grow future income. As a bonus, dividend stocks typically are less volatile than growth stocks, so they can help diversify and even stabilize your investment portfolio. Investors can also choose to reinvest dividends back into the stock, potentially increasing your investment if the stock does well. 2. Rental properties. Investing in real estate to earn rental income is another way to build passive income. Long-term rentals can provide a reliable source of cash if they are located in a healthy market for renters, but they also carry long-term stressors like maintaining those properties, as well as paying multiple mortgages, property tax bills, and other costs. You could also focus on short-term rentals through a platform like Airbnb, which is dependent on a steady flow of visitors to your area. Or, start small. Rent out a room in your house to begin to bankroll your rental property empire. 3. Content. A way to build passive income at home is through payments for the use of intellectual property that you have created yourself, or for which you've purchased the rights. Creating content can be a lot of work, especially for work that is engaging and reaches a large enough audience to generate income. But once you've created something that people are using, it's possible to generate revenue through display advertising, using a program such as Google AdSense, or to run sponsored content, which means companies pay you a fee to publish a post on your blog. Another way to monetize a blog is affiliate marketing, which allows you to earn commissions if your readers purchase a product or service you've recommended or linked to. You may, however, find that creating content is not as hands-off as you might expect. There's always pressure to create more content or update what you have to keep it viable. 4. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareSale are among the larger names, too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. 5. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whoever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You'll need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos could be shots with models, landscapes, creative scenarios and more, or they could capture real events that might make the news. 6. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Are you an expert on travel to Thailand? A maven of Minecraft? A sultan of swing dancing? Take your passion for a subject and turn it into a blog or a YouTube channel, using ads or sponsors to generate your income. Find a popular subject, even a small niche, and become an expert on it. At first, you'll have to build out a suite of content and draw an audience, but it can create a steady income stream over time, as you become known for your engaging content. It's not too late to start a YouTube channel. A whopping 2.6 billion people around the world use YouTube every month. That's a lot of eyeballs to capture for passive income. The catch? It's a lot of upfront work for little to no return in the beginning. Yet, if you're a long-term thinker and don't mind front-loading your efforts, the income potential of a successful YouTube channel is high. Affiliate sales, sponsorships, branded integrations, and ad income can all add up passively as you accumulate content, clicks, and views and grow your audience. You can even easily spin off into starting a podcast and earn more money through sponsorships. 7. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the best passive income ideas to earn money from wherever you are, even if you don't have a lot of cash flow to begin with. Some dropshippers report making upward of $100,000 per year. The dropshipping business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see or physically manage the products you sell. With dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packaging to fulfillment. And since you don't need to send money to your supplier until your customers pay, this passive income business has limited cash risk. You can use a platform like Dividend to find trending products in different niches to sell in your store. 8. Teach online courses. It's easier than ever for educators to sell courses online. Whether it's marketing, illustration, or entrepreneurship, you can create pre-recorded courses and start selling with few limitations. You can sell online courses repeatedly without holding any inventory or stock, generating passive income. Teaching online requires some upfront investment in time. You'll need to outline your course, record it, and create downloadable assets like templates for students to walk away with. Whichever way you look at it, teaching an online course is a great way to generate income at a low startup cost, other than investment of time. 9. Record audiobooks. Audiobooks have to be created by someone. Why can't that someone be you? Once you break into the industry, it's possible to create passive income in the form of royalties, which is how most audiobook narrators get paid. To successfully make income from audiobooks, there are a few things you need to master first. These include learning how to audition, proper narration technique, what niche you'll work in, some editing skills. You don't have to go at it alone. Some platforms make it easier to get started and land your first few gigs. Check out sites like ACX to learn what you need to make it in the industry. 10. Invest in vending machines. Ever wonder who takes care of all those vending machines that are always stocked? The owner of those machines is earning passive income from your snack and soda cravings. Starting a passive source of income through vending machines does require an upfront time and money investment. This is a great guide with tips on how you can get started with your first vending machine. Marketplaces like Craigslist, eBay, or BizBuySell can help you gauge the upfront investment you'll need to buy your first set of machines, as well as how many you can afford to start. Once you secure areas where you can install them, a route of vending machines makes for a great cash-flowing source of largely passive income. With passive income you can get your financial freedom. There is only so much time in a day, and finding ways to make a lot of money more efficiently can give you flexibility in your personal finance to hit the next level. That level might be taking a nice vacation or buying that awesome pair of shoes, but whatever it is, adding passive income streams with different underlying economics can give you the freedom to explore it.